Inventory is the lifeblood of many businesses. Organizations or businesses can be classified as service type and manufacturing type. During this transformation, raw material gets converted into semi-finished goods, which further gets converted into finished goods, products. Effective inventory control is paramount to success. It represents a significant investment and plays a crucial role in meeting customer demand. It ensures that businesses have the right products in the right quantities, at the right time, and in the right place. This essay will delve into the essentials of inventory control, exploring its importance, concepts, strategies, and future trends. Inventory control is not just about storing goods, it's about optimizing the entire inventory process. This includes purchasing, storing, managing, and distributing inventory. By effectively managing inventory, businesses can minimize overall costs, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Imagine a bakery running out of flour or a car manufacturer lacking essential parts. A single car has about 30,000 parts, counting every part down to the smallest screws, nuts, and bolts. These situations highlight the criticality of effective inventory control. Without it, businesses risk production delays, lost sales, and damaged reputation. In today's competitive market, businesses must prioritize inventory control. It is no longer a mere operational aspect but a strategic function that can make or break a business. Inventory encompasses all the physical resources a business utilizes in its operations. This includes raw materials, semi-finished material, finished good, purchased parts, components, sub-assemblies, work in process, supportive items, tool inventory, supplies inventory, machinery spare, repairs or replacements, standard parts, nuts and bolts, and even supporting items. These resources are held for various purposes. They could be intended for production, sale, or internal consumption. Inventory represents a significant portion of a company's assets. It is measurable and quantifiable. This makes it a crucial factor in financial reporting and decision-making. Effectively, managing inventory is not just about tracking quantities. It is about understanding its value and impact on the overall business. Inventory control is the systematic approach to managing inventory. It involves a set of policies and procedures designed to ensure optimal inventory levels. The primary goals are to minimize holding costs and maximize service levels. This involves striking a balance between having enough inventory to meet demand and avoiding excess stock that can lead to losses. Effective inventory control helps businesses reduce waste, optimize storage space, and improve cash flow. Inventory management is vital for businesses of all sizes and industries. It is particularly crucial for service and manufacturing organizations. Service businesses, such as restaurants and retailers, rely on having the right inventory to serve customers promptly. Manufacturing companies need a constant supply of raw materials and components to ensure uninterrupted production. Effective inventory management directly impacts a company's profitability and customer satisfaction. By optimizing inventory levels, businesses can reduce carrying costs, which include storage, insurance, and obsolescence. They can also minimize stockouts, preventing lost sales and customer dissatisfaction. Moreover, efficient inventory management allows businesses to adapt to market changes quickly. By having a clear understanding of their inventory levels, businesses can adjust their purchasing and production plans to meet fluctuating demand. This agility is key to staying competitive in today's dynamic market. In essence, effective inventory management is about streamlining operations, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. It is a continuous process that requires careful planning, execution, and monitoring. Delving into inventory control mechanisms. Inventory control is not a one-size-fits-all concept. Different types of inventory require different management approaches. Understanding these types is crucial for effective inventory control. Finished goods are completed products ready for sale to customers. Managing finished goods involves forecasting demand and setting appropriate pricing. Each inventory type presents unique challenges and requires specific control mechanisms. Navigating the inventory control landscape. Inventory control serves key objectives crucial for business success. These objectives guide the development of inventory control systems. They ensure inventory management aligns with business goals. Planning involves forecasting demand, setting inventory levels, and procurement plans. Accurate planning helps avoid stockouts and minimize waste. Stabilization maintains a reliable flow of inventory. Cost optimization minimizes holding, ordering, and managing costs. Effective inventory control balances costs and service levels. Lastly, different techniques of inventory control are ABC analysis, Viet analysis, FSN analysis, HML, material price, GOLF, SOS, seasonal and off-seasonal. Watch video on these techniques. Future trends in inventory control. The landscape of inventory control is evolving with technological advancements. AI plays a significant role in inventory management. AI forecasts demand, optimizes inventory, and automates tasks. Blockchain offers transparency and security. It tracks goods throughout the supply chain. IoT enables real-time inventory tracking, optimizing storage conditions and preventing spoilage. These technologies transform inventory management.